Those pesky blackbirds. So what I've been researching to try and deter them is to make a blackbird deterrent. And what I've done is jumped on the internet and I've come up with this, which is a 2-litre PET bottle. As you can see, I've cut wings and folded them back, and then with some liquid paper I've drawn eyes and a texta for pen for the eyes. This is just a prototype, and this is what it's supposed to do, and hopefully it'll scare the birds. It's a lot cheaper than $65 for a bought one, and I really think it's quite cute anyway.